Hey, here's Goldwagen's expert advice on how to replace your steering pump. A faulty steering pump can lead to a number of issues with your vehicle's steering system. Let's talk you through the most common signs you need to look out for. Whining and a grinding noise, difficult steering, leaking fluid, and steering wheel vibration are all signs. If you notice any of these, it's best to get your steering pump checked by a professional mechanic. If it needs to be replaced, here are the simple steps. The vehicle must be elevated to prevent damage to other components. Once it's been raised securely, find the steering pump, which is usually located near the front of the engine, powered by a belt. The exact location can be found in your owner's manual. To remove it, disconnect the hoses and unscrew the mounting bolts. Now you can insert the new pump, making sure that it's aligned correctly and securely in place. Reconnect the hoses and ensure that they are secure. Fill the power steering fluid reservoir with the recommended type and amount of oil for your vehicle's steering system. It's time to bleed the system, so start the engine and turn the steering wheel from lock to lock several times to remove any air bubbles. Ensure the reservoir is topped up to level. And that's it. You've just pumped your steering and it's ready to go. But before you do, keep in mind the importance of buying high-quality vehicle parts. Always go for genuine OEM or high-quality aftermarket parts so that you can get it right the first time. Sharing is caring, and when you know, you know. So get in the know. Goldwagen, the parts supplier of choice, catering for all top vehicle brands.